So Hurricane Lee, right? Lee means the clearing out the forest and the meadows. And it seems like the storm that went away and came back a little bit stronger. So you have to remember, terror starts in September, okay? But this is just the ninth power of itself. So it's about to be a rebirth going into December of the nine energy dealing with the six. Right? Meaning shit's about to get real. I would say continue to fast. Cause that's breaking off shit that doesn't serve you. Everyday shadow work. Take care of yourself. Start loving